Hey, you guys out there in YouTube land. We just did our first year of YouTube, actually, but I think what me and Jim are going to do, we're going to go back in time and look at all the stuff that we did during the year.
I'm back. Welcome to Paul Sr. Unchained. Yeah, I decided to do my own YouTube channel because a lot of people want to know where I am these days. It's been a little while since we've done TV, and a lot of things have changed. I'm building a twister because we're going to do some ornamental work. We gotta go out there and feed the animals.
Yeah, that's what you want.
Hi, Doug. No beating you. Stop it.
All right, listen up. This video is sponsored by BetterHelp. Yeah, therapy. Don't roll your eyes, just listen up. I've had my shares of blow-ups, stress, and sleepless nights, especially running a shop like this. You try building bikes on a deadline and not losing it. What does losing it actually look like for you? What's the moment when you know you hit your limits? Believe me, I know that. Is it throwing a tool, snapping out, or taking it out on anybody or everybody? BetterHelp helps you talk to a real licensed therapist, online anytime, on your schedule. No driving across town, no sitting in some waiting room, flipping through old magazines. It's convenient, it's simple, and it works. Over 35,000 therapists, millions of people using it. These ain't amateurs. You get matched with someone who actually knows what they're doing. You can switch therapists if you're not feeling it. No big deal. Look, even the toughest people need someone to talk to. Doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're smart enough to handle your crap before it handles you. Go to betterhelp.com/Paul Sr. and get 10% off your first month. Pretty good. Don't wait till you explode. Take care of yourself. This is my everyday rider. I love it. I built this probably 12, 15 years ago and been riding it since. I've rode in the Rocky Mountains with this bike. And the beauty of this bike is that it's really comfortable. I mean, I think that all these years of building bikes, the thing that for me is the most important things is the handlebars, the foot controls, and the seat. And I'll show you what I mean by that, because when you sit in a bike like this, you want your back. If you look, my back is like sitting in there, so it'll never my back will never bother me. Welcome to the second annual OCC Invitational Bike Show. What's up, brother?
Man, how are you?
How are you doing, all right? Hi, hon.
Excellent.
Yep. How are you? Lily, how you doing, Lily? Nice to meet you too.
Custom-made helmets. I work with fiberglass and movie special effect materials.
Uh-huh. That's too cool.
I just have to say ride safe.
Oh my God, thank you.
Of course.
All right,
My
Preet, that's
pleasure.
really too cool. This is OCC Roadhouse. We built this about 2 years ago when I moved down from New York. The jet bike right there is the bike that started it all. We did a pilot. From the pilot, it went into the series. Cool bike.
We were just talking about you. How are you, brother?
Doing great,
Good to
man.
see you, man.
Yes,
Good to
sir.
see you, yeah. Good to see you. I'm gonna make a sissy bar today.
I'll get this washer in here, Jim. Okay, we're back up here. So the last time you filmed, couldn't see nobody's head. You cut everybody's head off. So try and film so the audience could see, oh, there's Senior, there is Mikey. Oh, I don't know who they are. They don't have a head.
You look much better when I cut off your head.
All right, we're going to start.
Can I make a suggestion? If you went closer to the corner, it might pull it up a little more because that's where you got the biggest gap.
Here?
No, where your left hand.
Here? This is shaved off.
No.
Yeah, it's just an optical
It's an optical occlusion.
There we go. Nice.
When he was in his diapers, I was building bikes. You know what I'm saying? Not sure if I like him too much, though. I'm not so sure how we'd get along, you know? He's definitely not my people. I would call this dude out, you know? I'd love to get him here. Both of us build a bike, put one on one, lift in another one, and just build a bike from start to finish.
So I'm over here at Orange County Choppers, and I got a bone to pick with Paul Sr. Oh, shit. Come on, man.
We can get one of these things running if anybody can.
You guys would have to know what you're doing just a little bit to get the bike running.
You know, Paul.
You know, bro.
That's pretty cool. Seeing Sean get to ride all the way on Paul Sr.'s personal bike, like, pretty cool.
We're going to do a bike build with Sean and Greg, so you guys need to strap in and stand by. What I'm looking for is I'm doing a bike build off with the Beard and Bike guys, you know those dudes?
Oh, yeah.
I have to do a metric bike. They don't want me to do my usual
Metric
thing.
bike,
Yeah,
okay.
metric bike. So I don't know what we got laying around here.
These are very, very nice. A little bit outside the price range.
I think we can do a lot with this, you know?
Yeah.
Here's where we're at with this, with the biker build up. Got it. Knock that out of there. You anything?
I think it's garbage now.
I mean, how else would you do it?
Yeah.
Might just be nice on that bike. I got a Christmas gift
Okay.
from Sean.
Oh, jeez. Oh. Wow. Wow. That's sucking. Wow.
This is the day. Sean got his bike here. My buddy Greg got his bike here.
You know, I come all the way to Florida with, I guess, apparently the only running bike in this show.
I called them out. They came here. We got to know each other. And I kind of thought we would like each other anyhow because they're both good guys, you know? So I kind of knew in a sense that we would become friends. And I think that that relationship's growing, but I don't think it's going to end here. I can definitely see something in the future. And we're already talking about it.
Here they come. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it. Come on. You guys have put in a whole lot of work for this. Their pride is on the line.
The winner of the bike build off right here tonight was none other than the legendary Paul Sr.
What do you think? We should do all this work and then give it away?
That's what I would do.
Yeah.
Looks much, much better. This. Put it there.
Got our paint from our painter next door.
The Widowmaker, right here.
Well, we hope that you enjoyed that. Go to Paul Senior Unchained, like and make a comment.